everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're embarking on an unforgettable journey along the llangollen Canal in North Wales. This area is known for its scenic beauty and rich history, and there are plenty of boat rides to choose from. One unique option is the horse-drawn boat ride, where you can relax as a horse gently pulls the boat along the canal. The main attraction of our trip is the stunning Pontcysyllt Aqueduct, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Join us as we explore this beautiful part of Wales and experience the charm and tranquility of the Llangollen Canal. You don't want to miss this! Now we're entering the aqueduct. It is an incredible 19th century structure that carries the Llangollen Canal across the River Dee. Designed by engineer Thomas Telford, it is the longest and highest canal aqueduct in Britain, stretching 1,000 feet and standing 126 feet tall, built from cast iron and stone. The aqueduct has 19 elegant arches. Opened in 1805, it remains a remarkable feat of engineering and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can walk or boat across. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.